Hello, I'm Tyler Bellotti, and this is my first video out of many for the Introduction to Python Wikijing videos. In this first video, I will show a little bit of my understanding so far of the Python language. For this video, we will be showing this formula down here. Oops. This formula right here. And we will be showing how to input it into Python and solve the formula for the value you give for A, B, C, and D as a product named X. First of all, because we're not doing a script, we're just solving the formula, we will set the values of A, B, C, and D. A equals 1, B equals 2, oh, oops, equals 2, C equals 3, and D equals 4. Now we have to try and piece this formula in here, which is actually a lot easier than it seems. We are going to do it as X. X equals, PEMDAS, got to do the parentheses first, A times D plus B times C, and because I'm still a little rusty on math, we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to make Y equal A times D plus B times C. And we will finish that. Now, we will do X equals Y divided by B times D, and we will finish there. Now to finish off, we will show you how to run the line to print the value, which is, well, print. P-R-I-N-T. And we're just going to do a simple one, print X. And if we're right, then the value of X should be 1.25. Well, let's try it. And there it is, 1.25. Relatively simple, not too hard. If you want to, let's say, do any of the other fractions, like multiplication, or, well, dividing is a little bit more complex, it's literally just changing around the symbols and some of the letters, but relatively the same. When working with Python, you're not just solving math problems, you're making an actual machine. You're making a blueprint and basically the functioning machine itself, a program. So when you set a program like this, it's solving for your value. You're making the formula, you put in the base values, and it gives you what you need. Basically, you're making a mini calculator, at least right now, but it can be done for almost anything. Well, that's where I'll leave this video off now. Well, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.